Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a site title next to your logo on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Now click on this website button below the Squarespace site. You want to add your site title next to your logo. Go to Pages. Select any of your page under main navigation or from this list. Then click on this edit button from the top. Then click on edit site header. I've browsed all the settings related to site title and logo, and unfortunately you can't add your site title next to your logo or display both of your logo and also your site title. But there are a workaround around it, which is adding your text or your site title into your photo, then upload it to your Squarespace site. I will do it using this online Photoshop called photop.com. This is the website I want to use to add my site title text to my logo. This is my logo, and also this is the text part. You can just use it using this feature or this tool on Photop. Click here, add your text, restaurant. Select your text using Ctrl A or Command A on Mac. Give it a and color. Edit the text font. Make it a little bit bigger. And just like that, you can even select this color just like that and place it here. Now I already have this text style. Now to export this photo, I recommend you to make your site logo shorter in the terms of the height to not take lots of space on your website. Click on enter. Now click on file, export as PNG, and download your photo to your computer. Now to download our new logo with the site title into our Squarespace site, click on the edit site header, then click on your logo or site title, click on this little pen, then under logo image, click on replace or this plus icon. This is my logo with my site title. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Adjust the logo height just like that and click on save. Or before clicking on save, I want to make my site header height, adjust my site height. Don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your editing. Then click on exit. Let's preview my website live. And this is how to add a site title next to your logo on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.